just click on the hood and press slash to hide everything else except the object that you have clicked on. Be sure to go to the solidify and click on the even thickness and high quality. For the thickness, let's go for 0.03. I mean 0.03. Be sure to click on the fill. Be sure to click on the fill and only rims. Make sure to have the solidify over on the subdivision modifier. Now apply the solidify. We are going to the solidify modifier, then Control A, and now we have to fix the bad topology that's been created by the solidify modifier. Now we have to fix the bad topology that has been created by the solidify modifier. Just follow my steps. Just control click on that, then click on that. Before that, we have to fix this place. Just double G it. In simple words, we have to move it where they were. I mean, where they should be. You see, so we have some phase issues here. Just grab the entire line and just X and delete faces, and it's solved over there. This part could get a little bit tricky, so be sure to follow my every step. As I click on that, now click on this place. Now GZ and push it downwards like that. GY, then push it inside a bit. Grab that one, then grab this one over here. Make that one the active element and just SX and just curve it a bit. Go to the active element, SX, and just push that one inside. And now for that we have to rearrange the other vertices that are connected with that. Just use the double G over here. just make sure that it is as precise that it looks good from the outside. So now we have to work on the boundary lines. Um, let's hide that one. Then control R, get a edge loop, or maybe not. Let's hide this one too. Control R, control R over there, control R. Now Alt H, and now we are gonna join uh, the now we're gonna join the edge loops that we have just created. And yeah, make sure that the joining goes for J key. So let's turn on this sub D, and let's control. Good to see that we need another boundary support over in this place. Let's try to improvise it now. There we go. Now J. Turn on the sub D. Nice. It looks as it should be. But there's a little bit of dispute still going on since we don't have the joint bridge over here. So let's J to join them. There we go. And I don't think we need this anymore, so we're just gonna dissolve the edge. Just press X and just click on the dissolve edge option, and you're good to go.